Hey everyone, this is Mike Does Blender, and today we're gonna make this cool jelly animation in Blender. Follow me in. To start, hit on the cube, press G, and then Z to move it upwards. Now, add a plane by pressing Shift A, scale it, hit on the cube, go to a Physics tab, select Soft Body. Now, when you press play, it's just going to hover in space. To disable that, just select Goal and select Stiffness. Now, hit on the plane, select Collision, and now go back to frame 0 and press play. Now it's going to bounce directly from the plane. To make it more randomized and fun, go back to frame 0, hit on the cube, and rotate it by 45 degrees on the x-axis and 45 degrees on the y-axis. And this will cause to make it more randomized and land on this angle. There we go. So now, to add more color, make sure to switch to a different view spectrum. Hold Z and go to Material Preview. Now, hit on the cube, go to Material, New, select this white space, and select whichever color you want. I chose green because I think guys, jelly green for Minecraft. I want to make this some color like pink. Yeah, that'll be good. Now, and this will make it even more colorful and bouncy. Go back to frame 0 and enjoy your beautiful frames. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.